there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So if you've been considering using Builderall to build your websites, or you're already using Builderall's Cheetah Builder to build your websites, then you want to pay special attention to this video. In this video, I want to share with you 3 critical elements that you must activate in your site settings so that you can take your landing pages or your websites to the next level. There are 3 little details that will pack a big punch if you activate them in your site settings, and it's something that I activate in all of my websites and funnels so that I can brand myself more consistently across all of my projects, and I can also pinpoint exactly what my prospects are doing when they visit my websites. So if you want to get that insider information, you want to make sure that you stay tuned to this video, because I am going to share with you the 3 critical elements you must activate in your site settings when using the Cheetah Builder. So if you want to know what those 3 things are, then keep on watching. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, so let's dig right into it. What are the 3 site settings that you should be activating inside of your Cheetah Builder when you're building funnels or websites? Now, well, for me, there are 3 site settings that I activate without fail inside of all of my funnels and my websites, because they give me a more personal branding touch. They help me potentially earn more money, and they also allow me to see exactly what my leads are doing as they go through my funnel, which gives me a deeper understanding of what's going on in my funnel so that I can make the appropriate tweaks. So number 1 site setting that you've got to activate inside of your site settings, you want to upload a favicon. Now, what is a favicon? Well, a favicon is that tiny little logo that appears at the very top of your browser when someone is visiting your website, and by default, you'll see that the Builderall logo is in your browser. And if you are trying to brand yourself online, you don't want the company's logo there. Rather, you want to have your own. What I do is I actually upload a little picture of my own mug up there, and that way it brands me inside of the browser, so that when people, look at the browser, they are, I'm in front of mind, and they know that they're on my website, and there's, I start to breathe like a familiarity with my face, so that when they see me across other social media platforms, they start to recognize my face, which is my logo, because when you're branding yourself, this is what people remember. So you want to make sure that you do that, and you can do that with something as simple as uploading your own personal favicon. You can also upload a company logo there, but make sure you upload something to replace the default logo that's already there. Now, the second thing you want to activate in your site settings is you want to decide if you want to earn a little extra money with Builderall or not. You can do that by toggling the affiliate badge that appears at the very bottom right-hand corner of every website or funnel that you build with the Cheetah Builder. Now, personally, I am an affiliate for Builderall, and I proudly display my Builderall badge because I want people to ask me about my website. I want people to know where I built my website, where I built my funnels, and if they happen to click on my link, it will open up into another page that displays the Builderall homepage. And if you notice in the browser, it will tag your affiliate link. So it's just a passive way to get more people to see that you use Builderall for your projects. And if you're an affiliate, that's something that you can do passively. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get a ton of sales doing that, but you never know. It's good to have it. Now, there are times where you're not going to want to display the Builderall affiliate badge. And if that's the case with you, all you have to do is toggle the affiliate badge off, and then it won't appear on the bottom right-hand corner. You might want to do this if you're an agency owner, or if you're building something that is completely unrelated to Builderall, and maybe you don't want to have that Builderall badge there. The cool thing is you have the option to toggle it or untoggle it depending on what you want to do with your website. Now, the third thing, guys and gals, this is a deal breaker. You have to go and If you use Builderall right now, I'm telling you right now, go back there and do this right now. Pause this video and go to every single lead capture page and every single website and toggle on your CRM. That is one of the hidden gems inside of Builderall. That app is so powerful. It is so robust with information that it's going to give you a bird's eye view of what your leads are doing as they travel through your funnel. You can see when they land on your website, when they click on a link, when they enter their name and email in your opt-in form. You even know the time that they did it. You'll also know if they got to your thank you page. Did they look at your one-time offer? Did they end up on your email one of your email sequence series? These are critical pieces of data that are going to give you the feedback that you need to know if you need to tweak your funnel or not. That way, if people go and they don't ever get to the one-time offer, maybe there's something wrong with the opt-in page. Maybe you then can do like a split test to see which one converts better. Or if too many people go through the one-time offer and don't purchase, maybe you need to tweak something on the one-time offer, do some split testing, etc. So I feel like it is one of the most critical things that you have to activate inside of your website or funnel, because it's going to give you information that's going to give you a better understanding of what people are doing inside of your funnel, so that then you have information to help you decide what to do more of and what to do less of, so that you can do more of what's working and less of what isn't. So guys and gals, do yourself a favor and go activate that now. Now, let me show you really quickly that when you want to see what's actually going on inside of your funnel, all you have to do is go to the Builderall app section, click on CRM, and that is going to open the application on your desktop. What you want to do then is you're going to get a bird's eye view of the leads that you're generating, plus it's also going to give you a score of how good the lead is. So the higher the number, the more steps that lead has taken inside your funnel. And optionally, if you do phone calls or anything like that, you can actually use that CRM to start creating notes or add more information on that prospect if you decide that you actually want to like pick up the phone and call them and follow up with them. Or if at some point maybe they're a coaching client and you want to take any type of consultation notes, you can do all of that inside of the CRM. So I highly encourage you to check out the CRM, because I feel like one of the most powerful hidden gems inside of Builderall, that the value of that CRM is huge when you are looking to see exactly what's going on inside of your funnels or websites. All right, guys and gals, well, I hope this video helped you. If you haven't checked out Builderall yet and you're looking to replace the multiple tools that you are currently using and condense everything into an all-in-one digital marketing platform like I have, then you can go ahead and take a 14-day risk-free trial by clicking on the link right on the screen, or by clicking on the link inside of my video description right below this video. So make sure to check that out. All right, guys and gals, well, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.